Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Facebook. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on Create New Account at the bottom of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on Get Started. Now type in your first name and your surname and tap on Next. Now set your date of birth and tap on Next. Now go ahead and select your gender and tap on Next. Now you can sign up with your phone number or your email address. Type in your email address and tap on Next. Now go ahead and create a password for your Facebook account. Once you are done, tap on Next. Tap on Save to remember your login information. Lastly, tap on I agree to agree with the terms and policies of Facebook. To successfully launch your Facebook account, type in the confirmation code which has been sent to your email address or your phone number. Now you have successfully created a Facebook account, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.